In this video, I will show you a photo book that I ordered in Saul Digital company. It's Photobook Professional Line 40 by 30 with eco leather on the cover, and the paper used is photo paper glossy. So photos come from my trip to Italy. As you can see, I visited a few popular tourist destinations. I think that this paper is really nice. It's very thick and the quality is great in my opinion. This company often offers some discount codes, so if you would like to order such photo book, it's good to have a discount code. I would like to use this photo as a background for a composite photo, maybe in the future, because it looks nice but it's not so interesting, so I would like to add something to it. And last two photos, that you can find on my channel. I show how I retouch them, so if you are interested, you can check this out. And that's it. Thanks for watching.